Welcome back, Sekhmets children, to Sekhmets Magickal Spiritual DIYs. Have you ever felt like your living space could use a little pick-me-up? Maybe it's time to freshen things up in a more unique way. Today we're diving into the magical world of Enchanted Floorwash. This mystical practice has deep historical roots in various cultures and is believed to cleanse spaces of negative energy. We've all experienced those days when the energy in our homes feels stagnant, creating a sense of unease or negativity that can impact our daily lives. But fear not, there's a solution: Enchanted Floorwash. This Enchanted Floorwash involves a blend of magical herbs that were in my refrigerator, along with some dried herbs and my homemade Pinesol, which is vinegar infused with pine needles, rosemary, and lemon peels. I love to wash my floors on Sundays because the sun is our closest star. This day is full of wonder and all sorts of magical potential for success, hence Planetary Magic. By setting your intentions and infusing the wash with positive energy, you can transform your living space's vibe. Before we get into the magical properties for each of these herbs and ingredients, let me tell you my personal story. It was 2018 and my daughter was a truck driver in her first year. She was promised time off for Christmas, but a few days before, the company reneged on that promise. She called me crying, and I told her she was coming home on time. I whipped up my Enchanted Floorwash, mopped the floors, and used the same water to cleanse the front door, while imagining her coming home on time and saying this chant: herbs of old, magic strong, cleanse and bless where you belong. With this wash, I set my will, bring my desire, now fulfill. Guess what? Not 30 minutes later, my eldest daughter came running down the stairs and said my daughter just called and she was on her way. It was truly a game changer. The magic isn't only in the herbs, it's your intentions. Never forget how powerful you are. I repurposed these outdated herbs from my refrigerator. The magical properties of thyme is purification, courage, healing, and sleep. Thyme is excellent for clearing out stagnant energies and promoting healthy, harmonious environments. Rosemary's magical properties are protection, purification, love, and memory. Rosemary is a powerful protector and cleanser, helping to purify spaces and enhance mental clarity. Mint's magical properties are prosperity, protection, healing, and travel. Mint brings a fresh, vibrant energy, promoting financial success and protecting against negativity. The magical properties of basil is love, protection, money, and happiness. Basil's uplifting energy attracts prosperity and joy while providing a protective barrier against harmful influences. Now we're going to get into the magical properties of the dried herbs. Wormwood is for protection, banishing, spirit communication. Wormwood is often used to ward off negative energies and entities, making it ideal for cleansing and protection rituals. Cloves are for protection, exorcism, love, and money. Cloves are known to attract prosperity and repel negativity, enhancing the overall protective qualities of your floor wash. Cinnamon is for prosperity, protection, love, and spiritual elevation. Cinnamon's warming energy boosts the effectiveness of the other ingredients, promoting success and protection. Orange peel brings joy, purification, and prosperity. Orange peel brings a refreshing and uplifting energy, clearing out negativity and inviting positivity and abundance. Now let's get into the magical properties of my homemade Pinesol. My homemade Pinesol is infused with white vinegar, pine needles, rosemary, and lemon peel. Pine needles are for purification, protection, healing, and prosperity. Pine is highly effective in cleansing spaces and attracting positive energies. Rosemary, as you know, is a protector, purifier for love and memory. Lemon peel is for purification, love, and happiness. Lemon peel as a refreshing and purifying element, promoting a clean and joyful environment. And white vinegar, magical properties are purification and protection. White vinegar is a powerful natural cleanser that helps to banish negativity and purify spaces. While I was putting in each of the herbs, I said this chant. By herbs and light, I cleanse this space. Old energies leave, new ones I embrace. With wormwood's guard and cloves might, cinnamon's warmth and orange's light. Thyme's courage, rosemary's shield, mint's fresh energy, basil's field, pine, rosemary, lemon peel too. White vinegar purifies through and through. Out with the old, in with the new. My home is cleansed, vibrant and true. As I mop and sweep away, blessings and peace in the space stay. By combining these ingredients, your Enchanted Floorwash will effectively cleanse and protect your space, promoting a positive and harmonious environment. By incorporating this practice into your routine, this will support your well-being. It's cool now. And so I will be putting in my homemade Pinesol after I strain everything. It smells so divine. By herbs and light, I cleanse the space. Old energies leave, new ones embrace. With wormwood's guard and cloves might, cinnamon's warmth and orange's light. Thyme's courage, rosemary's shield, mint's fresh energy, basil's field. Pine, rosemary, lemon peel too. White vinegar purifies through and through. Out with the old, in with the new. My home is cleansed, vibrant and true. As I mop and sweep away, blessings and peace in the space stay. Now here comes my homemade Pinesol. And I'm constantly saying my chant. And you can say it however many times you desire. And I'm going to put my lemon verbena dish soap. I talk about the properties of lemon verbena in my magical dishwasher tablets. See the card above. And this is my favorite dish soap. I always use it. Sekhmet's children, I encourage you to try making your own enchanted floor wash at home. Get creative with these ingredients or your own and share your experiences in the comments below. Let's spread the magic and positive energy together. Thanks for watching Sekhmet's Magickal Spiritual DIYs.